Hey guys, Tracy here with Summer Pig Farms. What is up on this beautiful snowy northeast Kansas day? Well guys, we got our first snow of this fall to winter season. It is a couple days after Thanksgiving. It's Sunday, and I am outside in the high tunnel doing some snow maintenance. Besides shoveling the walkways and stuff to get ready for the work week coming up, you've also got to take care of your garden beds. And yes, we still have some stuff growing in here. Our market season is over. This stuff in here is just going to be fertilizer biomass going in when I get this covered up, but that's another video. What we were talking about today is snow loads and taking care of business. So today what we're doing is I'm going out in each one of these tunnels. As you can see, it is piled up with snow. We got a good 4 to 5, 6 inches in spots. So I'm going to show you how I take care of our high tunnels. All right, so what I am doing here is I am physically just knocking the snow off of our high tunnels here. And all I have is, you can do this in multiple ways. I've seen people use broom handles. I've seen people use all kinds of things to get this done. What I did was I just made a piece of PVC pipe. Could easily reach the top of the small high tunnel here and the big 20-footer over there. And I just got a piece of PVC pipe. I do not have it glued together so I could take it apart and store it if you wanted to. I would recommend not gluing it together so you can store this a little easier. All you're going to do is take this little end here, and you're just going to gently just touch the plastic like this. And what that's going to do is, you can see that's going to knock the majority of that snow load off for you. It just takes a little bit of that weight off. This plastic will hold a lot of weight, but even in a small tunnel like this, it's only 30 foot long. There are hundreds and hundreds of pounds of snow sitting on top of this, and that 20 by 100 all metal kit over there is going to have way more than that. So you want to make sure you do your due diligence and go ahead and finish and take off your snow load when you can, when you get a chance. That way you can save this plastic, because it is very expensive. And the best thing about market gardening is if you could reuse everything year after year and make it last a little bit longer, it saves you a lot of money. Anyway, that's my tip for the day, and I will see you guys later. Now I gotta get the other tunnel done. Kind of satisfying just getting just a little thing.